facts about Operation Protective Edge. For years, Hamas terrorists operating from the Gaza Strip have been firing rockets at Israeli civilians with the goal of murdering and terrorizing men, women, and children trying to go about their daily lives. In the last 2 weeks alone, over 2,000 rockets have been fired by Hamas into Israeli cities and towns. Once the warning sirens go off, millions of Israeli civilians have 60 seconds or less to reach bomb shelters. Hamas terrorists commit a double war crime, intentionally targeting Israeli civilians and using Palestinian civilians as human shields. Their tactics include storing weapons and launching rockets from homes, schools, and mosques, while ordering Palestinian civilians to remain at these terror sites. In contrast, Israel goes to great lengths and takes unprecedented steps to avoid civilian casualties, even when those civilians are offering shelter to terrorists. Israel agreed to the ceasefire offers by Egypt, the UN, and the Red Cross. Hamas rejected all three offers and continued firing at Israel. Hamas terrorists have dug underground cross-border terror tunnels in order to infiltrate into Israel and attack civilians. Since the beginning of Operation Protective Edge, Israel has discovered more than 20 such tunnels. Israel will not allow the Hamas to terrorize and threaten millions of civilians with terror tunnels and lethal rockets. No other country in the world would allow it either.